Okay, so this is my Sony compact disc player called CDP CX53, and as you can see, it is a 50+1 CD changer or carousel. And what we are going to do, we're gonna open up the box now, the device, and then I'm actually gonna show you, or hopefully, how we can actually change the CDs. Okay, we cracked it open now. Yeah, I know, sweetie. Yeah. My doggy is pretty excited. So now we can see the mechanism. And apparently this is the CD drive. And now I'm turning it on. Okay, alrighty. Now, yeah, I know, sweetie. My doggy, she's pretty excited. So now it's actually turned on. And now let's change. So you see, and now you see it's loading the CD, and I'm going to turn it around the camera. But as you can see, it's pretty cool. And now let's change the camera angle. Okay, I'm going to film by hand now, so we change the CD. Let's spin the carousel. And now you see we have changed the CD. And now from a different angle. Alrighty, and actually down there you see the belt drive. It's all the way down here. And maybe this is a better view. So you see the CD now spinning. Alrighty, and now I'm going to show you from another direction as well. Okay, now let's see from this direction. Okay, so this should give you a pretty good idea how it works. And you see my carousel here, which holds 50 CDs. And technically, or basically, that's all there is to a CD carousel. Okay, if you want to learn more about this, at the end of the video, I'm gonna link to a video, an older one I made, where I show you the function of the whole device of the compact disc player CDP CX53. This video actually was really just to show you how the carousel works.